So excited because in my hands I have February sneak peeks and previews for Boxycharm and Glam bag. So let's get into it and see what's inside. Let's go ahead and see what goodies we have inside our February Glam bag. First up, we have the SULWHASOO Concentrated Ginseng Renewing Cream. It's silky soft, it's great for anti-aging, it helps with firming and renewing the skin. I absolutely love this cream. Gives an immediate glow and I just love how hydrated it makes the skin look. Beauty for Real Hydra-Set Translucent Finishing Powder, and I love how this powder is super finely milled. It gives a very gorgeous finish to the skin and it makes your makeup last all day. A retinol facial oil, and as we know, retinol is a great ingredient for anti-aging and it's an oil, so it gives the most hydrated skin. Next up, if you're wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, I am wearing the Pinky Bee Beauty The Perfect Lip Combo in Open Heart. I love how it has the lip liner on one side and then it has a lip gloss on the other side, which is such a pretty shade of pink. So it's like a 2-in-1 that you can just throw in your purse. For Boxycharm, I have the CIELE Beauty Sponge, and it comes in a breathable case, which is amazing for travel. And I love how this sponge has all these angles where you can really get into the nitty-gritty, into the corners, into the crevices of your face. We have this stunning palette by Bute. It is the Whimsical Bloom palette and it has a bunch of stunning colors. It has a bunch of neutrals and then it also has some fun pastel colors and gorgeous shimmers in it. So I'm excited to create some looks with this. I'm just gonna add a little bit to show you guys how an eyeshadow adds such dimension to the eyes, but you just need a little bit. We have the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and I'm using the shade Natural Beauty. Let's go ahead and apply it to the cheeks. This is just gonna add such a natural flush to the cheeks. This is the Fenty Skin Flash Snap Instant Priming Revival Gel Cream, and this duo is just a spa day for your under eyes. You go in with the eye cream and then you massage your under eyes with this amazing tool right here. It gives your eyes an instant boost of renewal. Just feels very cooling to the skin. KULFI Beauty Main Match Concealer. It's long wearing, crease proof, and hydrating. It has a good amount of coverage, so it's everything you want in a concealer. Subscribe to Glam Bag and Boxycharm with the link in the description box to always stay in the know. Don't forget to like the video, and also I want to know, what are your favorite spoilers for the month of February? There's so many amazing products coming out with Glam Bag and Boxycharm. It is gonna be so exciting.